Hello, I'm Daria Lemann Blumenthal, the CEO of BELKIN Laser. It's an honor to present as an Israeli company being part of our very active and dynamic startup ecosystem. We have developed a technology which will revolutionize the way glaucoma is treated worldwide. It's an automated treatment that can be completed in seconds, simply, reliably, and quickly. Our vision is to provide accessible first-line glaucoma care for all patients. Globally, 140 million people have glaucoma and ocular hypertension, and there are far fewer doctors to treat them. Our solution to the problem of high demand and limited supply is to introduce a very simple and fast laser therapy to market, which can be applied by every ophthalmologist as a first-line treatment of choice. Today, glaucoma is mostly treated with drops, which has low adherence and causes ocular surface disease and other side effects. This has led the medical community to look for first-line droplex treatment. The primary laser treatment used today is SLT, the LIGHT trial, which concluded that SLT is more cost-effective than hypotensive eye drops, has been widely embraced by NICE UK and the European Glaucoma Society 2020 guidelines. The problem with SLT is that physicians have not widely adopted it. SLT requires expertise, it's work intensive, takes time, and can be tiring to perform. BELKIN's direct SLT, DSLT, is the perfect solution. It is as easy and as fast as prescribing eye drops. You can treat many more patients per hour, utilize all team resources in clinic, drastically improving patient throughput, plus it's fun to operate. And on top of this, it opens a new revenue channel for many doctors and clinics. Overall, we anticipate that our technology will disrupt the glaucoma treatment market. Our solution is accessible and applicable for the prevalent open-angle glaucoma, but it will also pioneer treatment for angle closure glaucoma, especially, as you know, common in Asian populations. Is with our transscleral method, we overcome the challenge of the narrow angle. In terms of clinical evidence, our first in-human trial, which was published recently in the TVST and ARVO journal, showed 22% reduction in IOP at 6 months and as low as 27% reduction in IOP in the higher energies. There were no serious adverse events, and also remarkable is that the amount of medication was significantly reduced from 1.6 to 0.4 at 6 months. We have just completed enrollment for our pivotal multi-center randomized control trial called GLORIOUS, which has run in Europe and Israel. 192 patients were randomized to SLT and DSLT. Primary endpoint is at 6 months, and we expect to be able to share them with you early 2022. Let's see the real procedure. What we see here is the real monitor. The doctor enter the patient ID or details, choose the eye, does the center alignment. Right after this will come the focus adjustment, which you will see in a minute. And then after this is approved, the image acquisition algorithm will locate the treatment zone, and the virtual aiming beam sweeps the target. Eye tracker tracks any movement of the eye. When start button is pressed, we have one preview cycle and one treatment cycle, and treatment is complete. BELKIN's next clinical trial, DRIGWANG, will be conducted in China, Hong Kong, and Singapore to establish safety and efficacy of the DSLT technology for open-angle glaucoma in the Chinese population. 80 patients will be randomized to SLT and DSLT with primary endpoint at 6 months. We are in eager anticipation to start recruitment later this year. Our highly regarded medical advisory board from the UK, USA, China, Hong Kong, and Singapore provides invaluable support and feedback in all aspects of our clinical strategy. Our leadership team brings extensive global industry experience to the table, and as we progress towards commercialization, this will become increasingly important. We are very proud of our globally diverse investment partners and share their confidence that our DSLT breakthrough technology will have a huge impact on the tens of millions of glaucoma patients globally. To date, BELKIN Laser has raised $19 million in equity and grants. Next year, we hope to achieve glorious results, various regulatory approvals, and to complete recruitment for DREAM-1 trial in Asia. We are confident that our technology will transform the way glaucoma is treated, making DSLT the first-line dropless treatment of choice. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.